So we're Headlong Farm. We're a small diversified farm here in Elgin, and gosh, we've been going on for almost 5 years now, right?
Yeah, 5 years.
It's kind of hard to believe, but yeah. So a diversified farm is one that doesn't grow or raise just one animal or vegetable. We do chickens, eggs, goats, and we grow a number of different things depending on the season.
We also have beekeeping classes, and then I also teach sourdough baking classes.
So we have a small farm shop open on Fridays, Saturdays, 10 to 4. You can find our fresh baked sourdough, cookies, soaps. We also carry a lot of grocery goods from other farms. It's important to really connect with your food because your food isn't just something you eat. It's something that someone grew or raised for you.
When we moved to Elgin and started working on the farm, I was reawakened with an interest in the physical and real things around me, the things that I grow, the things that I touch, the things that I eat.
We knew that this area had the type of soil that it did, the type of people that it did, the type of history and agriculture that it did. I think all that put together sort of made sense as sort of a, hey, you know, this is a place where you want to land.